this video, we're fixing a metal vase that was decorative from this client, and there's a few ways you could do this, but since we had the two-part JB weld, that was kind of quick setting. A nice light coat should be able to make that nice and tacky to kind of hold in place, especially while she was bringing it home. So the key here was to kind of apply just enough to kind of make a bond, but not enough that it squishes out so much to make the artifact not look aesthetically pleasing anymore. So you kind of see me kind of spreading around the glue and just getting enough of it just to kind of hold on there. Now I had done a dry fit, so this thing kind of naturally held in place. So it's simply a matter of just kind of like letting everything lined up and kind of plopping it down there, as you can kind of see there. So that's the basic idea here, and same case for most gluing applications. This one didn't take too much time, so it was able to finish up nice and quick.